All right, let's go through chapter 5. All right, what note is this? Okay, remember this is C. Remember two notes on the left side of the two black keys. D, E, F, G, A. So remember you can go either G sharp or an A flat. Now make sure when you put the sharp sign, I guess the middle of the tic-tac is on the line, and that the opening of the flat is on right next to the note, so it looks like it's close to what it is. All right, C, D, E, F, and G. Be an F sharp or G flat. Sorry, G flat there. All right, same G sharp and A flat, but this time it's in the bass clef. So it could either be either place here. I mean, you could have, this one could have been, you know, that G sharp, and that A flat. This could have been that F sharp, and that G flat. So it could be either one. Either one's fine. So G sharp, you know, you could either pick this one here, or it could be down here. I'll do the one over here first. I'll do the A flat here. I'll put the G sharp down here. There. All right, and C, D, E, G sharp, or D sharp, E flat, or E flat. C, B, E, F, G, A, B, A sharp, or you can go crazy and do A sharp, B flat, B flat, or it can be B flat, or it can be B flat. All right, C sharp or D flat. It can either be this one here, or you can use middle C, or you can do that crazy two-line double C, or in D flat. You have that D flat. You can do that D flat. C, D, E, D sharp and E flat. We do a D sharp. You can also do this D sharp. You probably won't, but you know, just in case you feel like doing it. And E flat. I'll show you the other E flats just for giggles. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So A sharp, B flat. The one you probably put down is this one and this one. You can also use this A and use this B flat. C and D. So C sharp, D flat. G sharp, D flat. You can also use middle C. You can also use the two-line C. Oops, sorry. Alright, C, D, E, F, G, F sharp or G flat, F sharp, G flat. We also do F sharp and G flat. Alright, half steps, whole steps. Alright, whole step from A is B. Whole step from B is C sharp. B, there's two half steps for a whole step, so that's C sharp. Half step from E is F. E, F. Whole step from E flat is F. E flat, F. Whole step from B is C. There's B flat. That's a whole step to C. Whole step from E is F sharp. E, F sharp. Half step from G sharp is an A. Half step from D is the E. Whole step from C sharp is a D sharp. C sharp, D sharp. It's a whole step. Half, half, whole step. Half step from E flat is an E natural. Whole step from A flat is a B flat. A flat, B flat. Half step from C sharp, D. Whole step from G is an A. Half step from D is the E flat. So those are pretty easy. Half step, E flat, E, whole step, A flat to B flat. There's your C sharp and D, and then D flat. All right, so B flat to C, B flat to C, it's two half steps. F to, I could either do two different ways here. You could either go F sharp, or you can make it G flat. And the answer is G flat, but you can do F sharp because you have F to either F sharp or G flat. Whole step from B is C sharp, B, C sharp. Half step from E is F. Remember, there's either F. Half step from C sharp is D. All right, here you go. Here's a crazy one. C flat. Whole step from C flat. Here's C, there's C flat. Whole step, so you need two half steps. 1, 2. You can call that D flat. here's D flat. Half step from F sharp is G. Half step from F is either G flat or it could be F sharp. So here's F, can either be F sharp or G flat. And that's still both half steps. D flat turns into a D natural. D flat turns into a D natural. And a G turns into A flat. G flat. All right, now going down. A to G. Okay, B goes down to A. So A to G, B to A. E to what? D sharp. So E, D sharp. You could also make this an E flat if you wanted to, because it is going to the same place. So it could either be a D sharp or an E flat. And this is going down again, so this is E whole step to D flat. It's got to be D flat. So here's E flat and going down to D flat. All right, bass clef. A flat to B flat. Sorry, B flat to A flat. So here's B flat. There's A flat. Okay, E, going down a whole step to D, that's easy. G sharp, going down to what? It's going down to F sharp. So here's G sharp, going down to F sharp, whole step. Half step from E flat is D. Whole step to B is A. All right, now we're in treble clef. A sharp goes down to G sharp. So A sharp, G sharp. Half step from D is C sharp, D to C sharp, C sharp, whole step goes down to B. Here's C sharp, goes down to B. G goes down a half step to F sharp, or could be G flat. See, here's G, goes to here. So it could be F sharp or G flat. E flat goes down to D. All right, now we're in bass clef. D sharp goes down a whole step to C sharp, D sharp, C sharp. C sharp goes down a half step to C natural. C sharp, C natural. All right, F sharp goes down a whole step to E, F sharp, E. B goes down a half step to A sharp, or you could put B flat. Is B. It could be either A flat or B sharp, A sharp, B flat. Okay, E flat goes down to D. That should be easy. All right, treble clef. E flat goes down to D. E flat to D. A flat goes down a whole step to G flat, A flat, G flat. Whole step from C sharp, B, C sharp, B. Half step from G, F sharp. You could make an argument for that. G, F sharp, or G flat. Half step from A, G sharp. Also could make an argument for A flat, or G sharp. That's it for the homework part.